Welcome to the Crystal Suites, Texas City, a budget-friendly hotel in Texas City, Texas. Our friendly staff will make you feel comfortable and relaxed during your stay. There is free Wi-Fi, free self-parking, 24-hour front desk service, and free continental breakfast every morning. In addition to refrigerators, microwave ovens, air conditioning, coffee and tea makers, kitchenettes, and daily housekeeping, our accommodations feature a variety of amenities. Crystal Suites Texas City is a popular choice for those looking for hotels near Galveston Island. The Crystal Suites Texas City are well-named, easy-to-remember accommodations in Texas when you are looking for a place to stay. Any type of traveler will benefit from this choice. Heart of Texas City, Dike, Texas, and Kemah Boardwalk, Texas are other area attractions. You can enjoy delicious food at Schlotzsky's and Antonini's, Subs and Benito's International Restaurant upon returning to Texas City. www.crystalsuitestexascity.com